Before you keep scrolling, do yourself a favor and click the link in the description. You're going to want to remember this. This product has become incredibly popular because it checks all the boxes. Smooth performance? Yes. Strong, well-built design? Yes. Easy to understand and use? Absolutely. But the part that stands out the most is the quality. It feels like something you'd expect to be much more expensive or complicated, but it's not. If you value something that works well, feels good to use, and doesn't waste your time, this is exactly what you've been looking for. Click the link, see it yourself, and you'll understand why so many people love it. Let's break this down logically. A product goes viral for one of two reasons. Either it's overhyped